The National Weather Service in Charleston has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for portions of Beaufort County in southeastern South Carolina, Charleston County in southeastern South Carolina, Colleton County in southeastern South Carolina, until 2:45 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 2:03 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Beaufort, moving east at 35 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Beaufort, Port Royal, Edisto Beach, Clarendon, Hollywood, Ravenel, Megat, and Bennett's Point. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Report damage directly to the Charleston National Weather Service at 1-888-383-2024 when it is safe to do so.